Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Audi A5 2-litre TDI Ultra S-Line Sportback S-Tronic. Now this vehicle has currently done 43,112 miles and it's finished in the colour Mythos Black. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have LED headlights that light up the road nice and well and give you great visibility. They also complement the sleek design of the vehicle. Moving around here to the side, you've got your 18-inch alloy wheels, your S-Line badge in there on the side, and your indicator integrated into the door mirror. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. Here inside, you'll find your gorgeous part leather seats. You've got the nice cloth in the centre. You do have ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You do have a pull-out armrest there in the middle seat. You also have your rear air conditioning vents. You've got 3-zone climate control. Here at the rear, you'll be able to pick a temperature for the rear, so you can travel comfortably, specifically with a temperature you prefer, to the driver and front passenger. To the rear, you've got your dual exhaust there. You do have the signature dynamic indicators, which are common on modern Audis. You've got a power tailgate that can be opened using the key fob, providing easy access to the boot. You have heaps of space there. You can fit a set of golf clubs in there very easily, or a pram. There are tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to. Handy when unloading the vehicle and your hands are full, you've got a button up top there that electronically closes the tailgate, so you don't have to struggle reaching up to shut it. Take a look inside here to the front now. You've got your leather multifunction S-Line branded steering wheel, a nice metal finish across the dashboard that leads into the centre console and the doors as well. Your front seats here with the S-Line badge embossed in. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. They're fully electrically adjustable. You've got an armrest there in the centre console, and underneath there you'll find your USB ports as well, and some storage compartments as well. Now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Audi A5 has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include heating. Now with the heating, you can quickly defrost or demist the mirrors so you can see clear to the rear. It's super handy when they're frosted over or when it's raining. You can clear them up very easily. Got your full electric windows. You've got your child lock buttons for either side of the rear doors. Moving onto the dashboard, you will find your automatic headlight switch. You do also have automatic wipers as well, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. Very nice touch to have. The wipers will automatically adjust speed depending on how heavy the rain is, so you don't have to keep adjusting them. To the right, you've got your volume controls here for the infotainment system. You do have paddle shifts for manual gear changes. To the left, you've got controls for the digital display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can display a whole variety of information. You've got all your trip computers there, any vehicle messages. You can also access your audio, phone and a compass from the navigation. It's all a nice touch to have. Provides you with vehicle information without having to take your eyes too far off the road. Your indicator stalk there to the left. Underneath this, you will find your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys, as it means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time. And it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Super ideal if you're frequently on the motorway. You also have a speed limiter you can use as well to maintain a specific speed limit very easily. Moving on, and in the centre of the dashboard at the top here, you'll find your infotainment screen. It's controlled using the spinning dials and buttons here in the centre console. It's very easy to use. On the system, you can access your radio. You do have access to DAB, FM and AM radio. With your DAB, you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. And it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with a list of different stations available to you. You can search for stations as well with this vehicle, making your search even easier. You can also favourite stations so you can access them with ease. You have your media where you can connect your own source of audio. You've got your USB auxiliary inputs. There's also SD inputs and Bluetooth as well. Of course, with your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whatever you need to, and it also ensures you don't miss any important phone calls here. You can pair your device up very easily, simply following the on-screen instructions. It'll search for your Bluetooth device. Now this A5 does come equipped with navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance. You can change the view using the scroller to zoom in and out. You've got the speed limit displayed on there, so you can be cautious of what the speed is on the roads you're on. You have your Audi Connect, which you can use with a subscription to access different features such as your emailing, text messages, even Google Earth, and access weather and fuel prices in the area. You have your Audi smartphone interface. You can use Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which will bring a similar interface to your phone onto the system when you connect with USB. Allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command, and you can even use compatible apps as well, such as your music streaming servicing, navigation, and even WhatsApp and Teams. In your vehicle menu here, you'll find your Audi Drive Select with efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual, which change how the vehicle performs and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience through this. With the individual mode, you can set up your own preferences to the engine and gearbox, as well as the steering, with options between comfort, auto, and dynamic, so that then the vehicle will drive and perform specifically how you want it to. Here in the system, you can access some vehicle settings. You've got your lighting features, you've got your exterior lighting as well as the background lighting throughout the interior. You can access your driver assist here. You can adjust this very easily. You've got your speed warning you can set up, where the vehicle will alert you if you exceed a specific speed limit. You do have your parking aid as well with front and rear sensors, giving you added confidence when parking, as it does make you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see. Makes parking overall much more easier to do. You can see the sensors activated there and they're displayed to the right of the display. You've got your driver assist as well with your intelligent coasting and the predictive messages with the efficient system. You've got your Audi Pre Sense, which can detect potential hazards ahead and help emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. It warns you of a potential collision so you can react efficiently to it. Your rest recommendation, which will alert you when to take a break on those longer journeys, and you can turn your rain sensor on and off for the automatic wipers if you wish to not use them. Below here, you've got your controls for the free zone climate control. You can sync up to have the same temperature throughout. You do have all of the climate information on the nice display there. You can change the direction of airflow for both driver and passenger, as well as the temperature. You also have automatic climate control. You can pick for either side if you wish to. Your fan speed there, you can sync up to have the same temperature and direction of airflow throughout the vehicle. You can even set the rear specifically. If, for example, you've got children at the rear, you can set a temperature for them to be comfortable at. Your air recirculation button, you've even got buttons for defrost on the front and rear windscreen as well. Your heated front seats with 3 different temperature options, so you can keep nice and warm through winter. Very nice, keeping you comfortable when driving. Your start-stop on and off system, your traction control, and even a shortcut switch for quickly adjusting your drive select. Button for turning the display off if you wish to, as well as your parking sensors. You can see your centre console there. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi A5 2-litre TDI Ultra S-Line Sportback S-Tronic. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.